to get a move on. We are just east of Kingman, Arizona, at the Petro. Okay, no, pre-trip is done, everything else is done, except I need to queue up my next podcast to listen to before I get rolling. I'm going to listen to yesterday's episode of the Tom Woods Show.
184. Prepare to set fire to the index card of allowable opinion. Your daily dose of liberty education starts here. The Tom Woods Show.
Okay, I got that queued up. All I got to do is unmute that and it'll start playing once I get rolling. And I guess I'm ready to get rolling. So let's turn that on when we get on the freeway. Got here last night about 9:30. Had a nice dinner. Well, I had breakfast for dinner. And called it a night. And now we're rolling out. Oh, this place is kind of bumpy. It's not Thursday, but there's a throwback. That place directly across the street, all covered in grass and torn, you know, all run down. I worked there many years ago. It was over 30 years ago. I worked there. I think that's the place. It was either that place or the place across the highway, which is also closed down. Anyway, I worked there as a dishwasher. It was probably my first job after I got out of the Army. And I moved here with, my mom lived here, and other family lived here. And so this is where I came after I got out of the Army. And that was probably my first job after getting out. That was back in 1984. Ha. What is that, like 33 years ago? God, that makes me feel old. Okay, we are headed east to Bellemont, Arizona, which is just about a half an hour east or west of Flagstaff. We're going to stop there for fuel. And then we're going to continue on, and I'll tell you more later, because it'll be interesting. Well, I didn't expect to run into rain today. I didn't see that coming. We've also encountered a bunch of road construction delay, well, detour. I think there was even an accident. I didn't see any vehicles in the accident, but I saw stuff that suggested there was one. That cops, some guy on a overpass that we were going over, I guess it was more like a bridge, over a ravine, and he's looking down over the side of the bridge, and I'm like, what's he looking at? But I don't know. Maybe somebody went off the road. Hope not. Anyhow, rain. Who'd have thunk it? Well, this is fun. Been moving pretty steadily for the last hour and a half. And now we've come to a complete stop. Well, I guess it's stop and go. I know we got road construction up ahead, but I can't imagine why this all, you know, while we're all backed up like that, because even if it's closes down to one lane, know, there's not that much traffic on this highway. So maybe there's an accident. I don't know. We'll see when we get up here. Well, here we are, coming up to our exit for a fuel stop. The pilot is up there on the left. More road construction. Oh. This exit is closed. Crap. I didn't realize that that was the exit that I needed to take that was closed. Oh. Damn. I need fuel. I mean, I have other options, but it changes the routing. I was planning to head north at Flagstaff on Highway 89. Now suddenly that doesn't seem like an option. I have to rethink this. Okay, here's the dilemma. My planned fuel stop back there, the exit was closed. In order to still go there, I would have to go up this next exit, backtrack, get fuel, and then continue west to the previous next exit, or whatever, the next exit westbound, in order to double back again. I have no idea how long that would take. And I have no interest in doing that. I have another option. I can get fuel just inside Colorado at Ute Mountain Resort and Casino. They have a truck stop there. I've got fuel there before, but A, it's going to be more expensive, and B, I don't get any shower credits, or if they do, I'm not going to use it there because it just doesn't make sense. Anyway, I can continue. The other option is that I can continue on I-40 to Winslow, to the Flying J there, get fuel. I got no problem getting there. In fact, it's closer than Ute Mountain Travel Center. And then I can just stay on I-40 until I get to Albuquerque and then head north on Interstate 25. That's actually the route where I can make fairly good time as far as you know, highway speed. It's interstate all the way. The downside is that there's more miles to travel to go that way. In fact, it's about 90 miles more overall. Now I could get fuel at Winslow and then head north on US 160. I don't know that that would save any miles or time. The other thing is that to take the route that I was planning to take it's fewer miles, but it's no faster. I was going to take it simply because it was a great scenic route. It is a great scenic route. But it would take me at least as long as the longer route in miles. So I'm thinking I'm just going to stay on the interstate. I'll get fuel at Winslow, or I'll go on into New Mexico. No, I think I'll get it at Winslow, because I can get a better deal. Yeah. So, plan B. Stay on the interstate, drive an extra 90 miles, but I'll make, I can keep my speed up to 65 or better, as opposed to the other route where it'd be a whole lot of 55 max speed limit and a lot of towns where I have to slow down to 35. But I was just looking forward to the scenic, because I got time on this load, so I was looking forward to the scenic views. Oh well, anyway, decision made. I'm just going to stay on 40, do interstate all the way there, and there it is. Okay, we're on our way to Winslow. Well, it appears that this FedEx truck has been trying to get over into the right lane for some time now, and this person here in the black Chevy wouldn't let him over or something. I'm not exactly sure. I've missed most of it. But rather than slow down a little bit so the truck could get over, he just hung there. And a lot of trucks, I don't know about the FedEx truck, but a lot of trucks have governors and they can't go past a certain speed. So that, it's possible that the FedEx truck couldn't go any faster and this guy wouldn't slow down, even just a little. That's what I think happened. I'm not sure. But anyway, it looked like there was almost an accident. So I hung back a little bit to wait until things cleared out. So I'm going to get around this guy and probably the FedEx guy as well. We've arrived at our fuel stop in Winslow, Arizona. Looks like all the fuel islands are full. Yeah, this is nuts. All the people who planned to stop back in Bellemont had to come here instead, just like me. Wow. Nuts. Well, I guess I'll run in and use the facilities and then come back out. Yeah, this guy is just getting started. Well, we got fuel and took a dinner break. Now we're back on the road, and we're looking to get to Albuquerque yet today. Let's see, I'm not sure how far that is. 260 miles.
If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see even more videos from all over the United States, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also invite you to visit my website to learn more about my over-the-road trucking adventure and what it's like living on the road.